Hey there, DIYers. Hey, today we're going to do some more yard cleanup. I got some logs, trees that are down, so we're going to use the Husqvarna 450 Rancher there. Get some good live GoPro shots. See if we can get some good shots going. So anyway, let's get right into it. All right, so I got plenty of chains now. So what I did was I went online, I purchased this 3-pack of chains for my Husqvarna, and I guess I didn't look at the specs correctly. So this is apparently a 20-inch bar, and I got 3 chains for an 18-inch bar. It's been a while since I bought these, and so I didn't want to bother with returning them. I don't like return stuff, so excuse me. So rather than return those, what I did was I went ahead and just bought me an 18-inch bar to go on here. And so, but when I bought this 18-inch bar, it came with a 3-pack of chains. So now I've got 6 18-inch chains, and then I think most of my 20-inch chains are pretty well eaten up. I've sharpened them down to where they're almost down to the end, and if not, then the keys, the track has some dings in them and makes it where it doesn't run in the bar very well. So anyway, I picked up another 3-pack of the 20-inch. So I have at least 3 20-inch good blades, good chains, and I got 6 for the 20. And since I haven't opened up this 20 one yet, so what I'm going to do, since I already got this open, I'm going to go ahead and switch to the 18, and we'll run 18 inches versus 20 inches. And it should be fine, because I don't think I'm going to be cutting anything super big, so 18 ought to be just as satisfactory as the 20 was. So we'll go ahead and get this changed out, put on an 18-inch blade, and get out there and get that tree that I just took down. We'll get that all chopped up and up here for firewood. So let's go get to that.